Friday morning, knackered. Today's job, let's have a look. Got a Mazda. This damage on the tailgate. Let's do it. First job, need to get these badges off. Yeah. Right, so I've just ordered the paint for this Mazda. The paint code on these Mazdas is a bit of a strange one because it's always on the back of the mirror cover. 25D. I don't know if you can see that there. That's the colour code. I think he said snowflake white, didn't he? Something like that. It's a pearl white, 3-stage pearl, this one. So that's on order. Shove that mirror back on. So next step, I need to grind the paint off in the area. So the spot puller is going to stick to the metal then. I'm just about to grind that off to get the dent puller on it to pull it out, but I've just noticed the actual frame of it, see how it's dipped in. So first thing, I need to just straighten that out first because that's going to make it awkward. You can see it there, how much it's out. I'll just lower it down a bit. Nearly. Oh, mate. Tiny bit. Do. Right, grind that paint off a bit. If booking requests, you're free to be flexible. Friday's job all finished. Give it a wash off and it's gone.